Dave with Architectural Iron Designs, and I'm here to talk about Comunello cantilever hardware, the DuraGates brand. Traditional cantilever hardware is supported at the top, either with rollers or with an aluminum top track. And that means the support of the gate, or the foundation of the gate, is at the top, often 6 to 8 foot in the air. The problem with having the foundation up in the air is there's a lot of movement and a lot of natural misalignment that comes over time. So what makes Comunello hardware so good isn't just that it is high quality hardware, it's because we do it right and we build it on the ground, a solid foundation like you would build your house. The support rollers are mounted to a foundation on the ground, and we mount them on one concrete block so there's no movement between the two carriages, and so there's no misalignment over time. So all the support is low where it should be. With traditional gates, they all move very smoothly when you first install them. But 5 years later, you have to hire someone to help you push the gate open. But with the Comunello's DuraGates hardware, 5 years later, you won't be able to feel the difference in how easy that gate opens.